is how I put together an M370 crossbow. And let me tell you something, for the price, you're not going to beat this crossbow for $499. You're just not going to beat it. 370 feet a second. So what I do first is I pre-wax this part of the string. Okay. Now what I do is I take a little lube and I will lube right where that slide goes in. And then I will put a little lube around here. Here's the tricky part. Put that underneath there. There you go. Makes it a whole lot easier. And what I also do is I take the nut and the bolt, and sometimes, you know, like on regular bows, you'll get your stabilizer or your rest or your sight, they get a little rusty. I always just put a little wax on there. So if we have to take this head off again to change the string, it just makes it that much easier. Get that snug. Get the Allen key. Tighten the set screw down. Take your quiver. Like I said, for the price, you will not beat $499 for this crossbow. I don't care what anybody says, you just won't do it. So what we also do is, what I'll do is for the customer, I'll also throw a little lube on the rail, put the sight cap back on, and that's really it. And she's ready to go. And then I'll come back in a little bit when I'm shooting it and dialing it in.